We actually hired a consulting agency to see if what we wanted actually existed, and it didn't. Now, again, we don't have access to the OEM boards and information. Plus, the vast majority, we've got over 300,000 assets under contract. The vast majority of those are more than 5 years old. And when I say vast majority, I'm talking in the high 80% range. So a lot of this is dumb equipment, so to speak. And so we had to have a solution that would apply to any piece of equipment. Didn't matter if it had a control system or a standalone, didn't matter if it was out in the middle of a cornfield or in a, downtown Philadelphia. So from that standpoint, things like it's all cellular, it's chip based, particle processor based. And so the whole point with that is we went to drive it down to the least possible cost so we could deploy them as an operational tool versus trying to monetize it as a sellable platform.